Good day to Daniel and his family. I would like to extend my deep gratitude and my heartfelt condolences to the whole family of Daniel. I will forever cherish and treasure each and every memory I had with Daniel, especially the times where we would laugh and where he would tease me because of a lot of stuff, and we would always argue on the little things, but in the end he would always make me laugh. I'd also like to say a message for I would also like to say a message for Tita or Daniel's mom. I would like to say thank you so much for letting us meet Daniel, for letting us experience Daniel, and for letting us experience what Daniel is like to be a friend, a classmate, as well as a brother.
Ta ay kabaraka kan Danel kay adto na tiya langit kan Lord. Tapos anamon memories ni Danel. Namimiss ko talaga ng memories nga naaro yan 100 akon. Tas anamon from nagpa-party kami ay kabaraka tita.
Hello po, if you guys are watching this video, I would like to send my condolences to the family of Daniel. Tapos, I will never ever forget it. Kakulit ni Daniel ha, David. Especially han Christmas party nga ako niya nabunot nga ako nakabunot na iya. Forever grateful ako niya ginhapan ng flashy ha.
Hi, Tita. I know how you have been feeling right now, and my deepest condolence to your family. And I am thankful for Danel na naging classmate niya namon kay he brought fun and joy to the classroom even though medyo pasaway siya. And yeah, we miss him very much. Wala. Bye.
Ay, Daniel, miss ko na ikaw. Kung maram kala, kung gaano kalipay, kung anakad, magupod kita. Gusto ko sana mag-inupod pa kita. Tapos, na-remember ko pa na Friday, maturog ka kung shoulder. Tapos, nangaturog kita na doon. Tapos, na-remember ko pa nangayat ka magluksong baka amon yan si sagmulay kita open to kay to na favorite na mulay yan waray pa pandemic tapos marisyo kay utang ka ngayon na sangkay tapos ikaw na kon gin kakapod-upod kay maramak na butang ka sana upod mo na Lord yan na yan tita ayaw mo family be strong kay Daniel will always be in your hearts forever and ever.
Hi Danel and hi the mother of Danel. I know things have been hard after losing Danel, your son, and your bunso Papa Good. But it's okay. We learn to accept it, and Danel will always have a place in our hearts as a David family and always has a seat in David, as always. We miss you so much, Danel. It's really hard to accept what happened to you, but unfortunately, we really have to move on. But even though we're moving on, you will always stay in our hearts forever. Bye, Danel. We miss you so much.
Hi Danel, how are you? I miss your presence. I'm already missing your presence here na in Stefty. I remember kuhan nga ni lunch. We used to sit there, tas we used to talk about cutting classes a lot. Tas you always asked 5 pesos from me even though I didn't even have 1 pesos. Tas kuhan, the best of his comfort and love to you. That's it.
Ay po tita, ako po Enzi Yero. Ako po sibling ni Daniel, so close kami yun ni Daniel. Sa na-struggle yat yung mga work sa pagpabulig, nangaturog nga niya ako tagmamata, pero danay nakisabay lagi ako. Ako bagan, ang pagkadto ko kanina, naabot tugod na feeling ba nga, kuan like, ano ba magagawa? Sakit. Feeling. Tama at na kinabot kanina. Medyo makuha din. Pero, assure ko like ako nga. Being okay man gabi. Sa mamimiss gap naman ni Daniel. Not just me, but also the David family. Thank you so much, tita nga aging pakadimaya ako. Kanya Stephanie.
Ay Daniel, maram ako nga diri ka na mupod na yan na hindi na kita nagkakarosa, hindi na kita nagkakaropod physically. Sana kunahin ka man yan na sana malipayon ka, sana nakakapahuway ka, kung sana di ka na nag-iisip ng mga problema. Yan, tita, ay na po ikaw kabaraga kan Daniel. Ay, Daniel, ato na yaha lugar kung hay niya malipay nga hay niya nakapahuway. Wala na kita mabubuhat po tita nga tingkad to na iya ginko niyang Ginoo. Taton la kaya buhaton kay karawton. Padayon na kita pagampo. Bye-bye.
Mami, miss ko yung makulitan haro. Kasi pag natawa mo ako kung natawa ako and pagkuhan ko imo buk pagkapot and thank you po ha imo mama na gin-enroll ka nga ni and we will forever miss you Daniel. We love you.
Thank you, Daniel, for always being a good friend of mine. And I hope that your family will receive a lot of blessings. And thank you for being a part of David school year 2024 to 2025.
Hey, Daniel, ano mo pag, it's very unfortunate pero wari kami talaga mahihimo. And I kind of regret na wari ko kayakan na even though you're not really smart or, anak na kita na mo is that nakikita na ko na talaga na you're very happy talaga with us and always remember talaga that you have a place in our heart and you'll always be a part of the David family. We love you so much, Daniel.
Hello Daniel. Ever since you were gone, I thought it was an April Fool's joke. But I learned the hard truth later that day that you were really gone. I would like to share my letter to you when we did that activity in CL. Dear baby Daniel, you deserve to live because you're just a human being who has a life ahead of them, a human being that did not deserve to die like that. Ever since you were gone, I've been thinking a lot how I'm starting to miss you when I carried you on my back towards the auditorium and how it was all fun when I had conversations with you. I'm going to miss you, Daniel. Stay safe.
Nagpapasalamat ako nga naging classmate ko nga naging friend ni Daniel bisan pasaway hiya. Waray na is gana mga practices kay nadalagan man good talaga hiya during practices tas baka natutumba na hiya pero waray hiya labot as long as makamula hiya with kill. Mamimiss ka namon as a David family tas kay nag-promise ka man adto nga mag-graduate ka dito along with us as grade 9 David. And yeah, mamimiss ka namon kasi we love you. And to Daniel's family, condolences sa iyo. He was a good son, brother, cousin, friend, and a classmate to all of us. I know how hard it is losing a loved one, especially too soon and too young. Thank you, Daniel, and this family. Condolences and see you
Hello
later,
Daniel, I miss you. Thank you na naging sakay kita this school year. I'm thankful that damanat memories na mo yan na school year. And I'm very very sad na nawara ka haamon.
Hi, Daniel. We really miss you and I hope that you're in a better place now. We don't have much interactions with each other. But I wish you the best. You were a really makulit classmate, but I know that you're a nice person. To Danel's mom, I hope that you're seeking comfort in love from your family and friends. And my deepest condolences for you and Danel's